Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So we are vlogging today. This is the first vlog of 2021 and I'm so excited. I'm feeling so inspired with the new year. I just currently sat down and filmed my 2021 New Year's resolutions. So if you guys have not checked out the video, definitely do so. I will leave it down below in case you guys missed out on it. But today I just want to be a very productive day. It's currently Saturday, so I have all day to literally do whatever I want, but I really want to start taking my weekends and really just having them be super productive, because when I'm working 9 to 5 Monday through Friday, I just feel so drained, and whenever I'm off I just want to lay down or watch Netflix all day. And so I really want to break out of that and start to be super productive. Today, a little rundown. I want to do just lots of content, and so I filmed the video like I just said. I want to film some TikToks, so definitely follow me on TikTok. You guys, my TikTok low-key went viral that I posted. So crazy. Basically what I did is one of those rare aesthetic TikToks, and so I said being in a toxic relationship with a boy you never even dated, and then I just posted a bunch of screenshots from this guy that I was with for 8 months. So yeah, that's just so funny that it's popping off. But yeah, so definitely follow me on TikTok. And so I want to film. I have some ideas in my notes tab that I've been thinking that I want to post, so definitely follow me there so you don't miss out on any content. And then later on today, I want to go grocery shopping because I really just want to get better at the meals that I make, and I don't really have any food here, and so I want to plan out all of my meals for the week, and then also obviously plan out all the ingredients that I need, make a list, go to the grocery store. I'm hoping, since I'm going on a Saturday night, I'm hoping that it won't be too busy. But anyways, I am going to now start planning my, oh my God, I almost just fell. I'm gonna go ahead and start planning my meals and everything that I want to make. So something that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually go on HelloFresh and look up different meals, and then also in my pantry I have all the HelloFresh cards that I have received from the meals that I've made. So I'm going to go through these and pick out which meals were the best and which meals I want to make again for this week. And so that is just what I'm gonna do, nothing too crazy. Okay, so I'm on my laptop right now and I want to show you guys how I'm going to plan out my meals to eat. And so I logged on to HelloFresh. Go to hellofresh.com/recipes, and it's super nice because you have all of these different categories. So if you want to make pasta, or if you want to make tacos or whatever, you can click on whatever and it'll give you a bunch of recipes, and then it'll also talk about your most recent recipes, the Hall of Fame, so these ones will be good, gourmet, kid friendly. There's just a lot of different options. And so I am going to go to pasta to start off because pasta is my weakness, and you can click on any of these. This one right here is my absolute favorite recipe that I've ever gotten from HelloFresh, and so I want to try and recreate this. This is so good. And so once you click on a recipe, it'll tell you literally everything that you need. So it'll tell you all of the ingredients, the nutrition facts, which is really nice, and then also it'll give you all of the instructions. And so I'm going to go through all of these and pick out my meals for the week. Hey guys, so I'm currently trying to figure out my meals for the week, and I just don't want to do this, but I just hate planning out meals because just nothing ever just sounds good, or it sounds good in right now, but then the day comes and it doesn't sound good. So I'm hardcore struggling. Also, I'm so tired right now. I am debating if I want to go get Dunkin' Donuts, but that would require me to leave my house and I don't want to do that right now. And also I'm kind of hungry, and I've been craving Smoothie King recently, and so I kind of want to go to Smoothie King. But also one of my goals of 2021 was to not go out to eat, and both of those ideas that I have require going out. So also I have a smoothie kit here, which I should probably just do, but nothing ever tastes good at home. I feel everything, if I want, say I want a smoothie, or I want a sandwich, or I want whatever, I can obviously make it here, but it never turns out as good as if I were to have just gotten at a restaurant. Does anyone else feel the same way? I don't know, but I just wanted to update the vlog that I'm slowly dying over here. I'm about to fall asleep. Hello guys, we are in my kitchen now. I am taking a break from picking out my meals because I'm stressed. So I am going to make a smoothie. I already have this little smoothie kit. I bought this literally like in November. It's now January, so hopefully it's even still good. I mean, it's frozen, so it's fine. But yeah, it's just like a strawberry banana smoothie, and all you have to do is literally just add water and blend it. And so that is what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm sitting down now in my living room and I just made my smoothie. It actually looks like so good, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I have this straw that doesn't really fit the glass. It's a little too tall, but this straw my mom gave me for Christmas. It came in a little pack, so let's try out the smoothie. Wait, this is actually like really good. I actually like really like this. I don't know if it's just me or anyone else, but I feel like whenever I make smoothies at home, they never taste good, but this one actually like tastes good. And I don't know if it's because it just came already basically like pre-made and I just had to blend it up, but whenever I make smoothies on my own, I can just never get them to taste like super sweet that you would get like Smoothie King or like Jamba Juice or something, but this one is actually like really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on my grocery list. So it is a lot later and I'm about to go grocery shopping, and you guys, look how extra my outfit is right now. I'm gonna put on a jacket because it's too cold, so like you won't see this part, but I'm wearing my leggings and then I'm wearing my favorite boots. My sister gave these to me for Christmas and I just kind of want to break them in, and I want an excuse to wear them because they are just so cute. And so I'm gonna literally, like I literally am like all dressed up to go to the grocery store, but I did lots of filming today so that I can justify curling my hair and doing my makeup because I was filming, but I just wanted to be extra with my outfit. But I think I'm just gonna throw on this black jacket and head out. So this is a little overview of what I picked up from Publix. So I'm gonna be making chicken and cheese quesadillas and then also this baked potato soup. And so I got some cheddar cheese for it. I got some ham because I wanna make some omelets, and so I thought this would be good to put in the omelet. And then bacon, same thing for the omelet, some chicken for the chicken and cheese quesadillas, and then also I'm gonna make some pasta with this. And then some sour cream for the quesadillas, and then also a pasta recipe. And then I got some half and half. This was required for the soup recipe that I'm making. And then some pineapple for another recipe. I got some green onions for the soup, and then I got some tortillas, obviously for the quesadillas, eggs. You guys, this is my favorite thing ever. This pizza is so good, and so I got 2 of them just for like something super simple and easy. Some bread, and then guys, these are like my favorite thing ever. So these are Ray's New York bagels, and you find them in the frozen section at Publix, and they are so good. You definitely need them. And then I just got some milk for a recipe again, and then also if I want like cereal or something. And then chicken stock for a recipe. I wanted to buy like a smaller one, but I couldn't find one because that one's like huge. And so that's just a quick overview of what I picked up. And like I said, they honestly didn't have some of the things that I needed, and so I'm gonna have to go to Trader Joe's within the next couple of days to get the rest of the ingredients. But yeah, that is my little grocery haul. I had quite an adventure because I drove all the way there and I forgot my wallet, and so I had to turn all the way back around, grab my wallet, and then drive there again, which was super annoying, but whatever. But I am gonna go ahead and end the vlog right here, and so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one.